A lot of focus on economic growth and self-sufficiency in technology at these important political events. Your takeaway?
Well, those are major priorities, as you pointed out. And you're seeing now it's going from policy to practicality. So there have been policy pronouncements about the importance of both of those. And now you're actually seeing things happen. So, of course, we understand the headline numbers, 6% GDP growth. You could say that's a general and positive barometer for the Chinese economy, which I think most observers believe is realistic and attainable. I think the concern is the rest of the world going to cooperate? Meaning, as they try to launch their COVID comebacks, which China has already implemented, will they be able to do business with China, to trade, to buy, and to sell? I think that's one area of potential concern.
Let me move on to next week's top-level meeting in Alaska between U.S. and Chinese diplomats. What are the expectations here, Dan, and what does really each side hope to achieve from this first face-to-face meeting in the Biden administration?
It's clearly a relaunch. It has the expectations of some fresh faces on the U.S. side, being able to perhaps approach things slightly differently than the prior administration did. So I think there are good expectations that there's somewhat of a clean slate in terms of the personal relationships that are going to come together and what's going to be discussed. But as we talked about before, so far the signals from the U.S. are there's not going to be a whole lot of divergence from policies that were put in motion under the Trump administration.